Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, hello there. Welcome to AVARigs. This week my name is Wesley, and my God, we have another beautiful system here. And this is what we do here at AVADirect, create beautiful systems. So we are filming this in a hurry today, so I didn't have time to do my pre-meditations and all that good jazz and memorize what's in here. So I have the papers here. So I'm gonna tell you, you make fun of me, that's fine, don't care. But we're gonna do a quick rundown, as always, of what's actually in this system, and you guys know the drill. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So, after a quick break, because I couldn't spit out the words properly, we've done like a million takes on this, so let's go ahead, hopefully this one is the charm. So, this case is a Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. It's a beautiful case, it's got a lot of room, it's a full tower. It is heavy, I can attest to that, this thing is heavy. However, it does have some nice features. You got RGB up front, which is always nice. Right here, you got some metal, which is nice. RGB down at the bottom, apparently as well too. I didn't see that. Lots of RGB. So the motherboard in this system is going to be a ASUS ROG Strix X299E Gaming. That is the LGA 2066 socket. So with that being said, inside that socket is going to be an i7-9800X. So the graphics card in this is going to be a ROG Strix 2080 Ti. You have Corsair Vengeance Pro memory in here, and it is going to be a 32 gig kit, obviously RGB on there, and it's clocked at 3600 megahertz. That's some fast memories right there. Now, two things I do want to point out, the ones coming up are also ASUS products. So under this shroud, you're going to have a ROG Thor 1200 watt power supply. This is a platinum power supply. Like I said in the last video, or maybe 2 videos ago, I don't know, I lost track. That system had a ROG power supply, and it's a shame that it's hidden under a shroud because there is a lot of RGB effects to it. It's a really nice looking power supply. So we also have the ASUS ROG AIO cooler. I'm not gonna try and pronounce that name. It's just a weird name, but everyone knows how I feel about that because it's really cool, because there's stuff going on right there. It's really awesome. I need that. It's pretty dope. And then on to some small things here. You have a 1 terabyte 970 Pro M.2 SSD. We also have a 2 terabyte 860 EVO 2.5 inch SSD, which is pretty nice. And then it also has a optical drive. So I would assume an optical drive would happen when you do that. So it's right there. It's nice and convenient if you do need an optical drive. So this type of build caters to 2 types of people. All right, so with the i7-9800X, those are the higher end processors of the Intel family, the X series, that is. So you could do workstation stuff on this, but you could also game on this. So I do know that one person in the office does have an X series processor, and they use it for gaming. In some cases you could say it is overkill, but if you're like me, it's just one of those, I like to have it. It's a peace of mind type deal, I guess you could say. But you could do workstation things like that. So rendering, things of that nature. If you write, if you're a programmer and you write code, this would be a great processor as well. But I can tell you that this end user is not going to be doing any sort of workstation primarily. Just by all the flashiness and what is actually in this system, you can definitely tell that this is going to be a gaming system. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that's all the time I have for you today with this beautiful Cosmos system. But as always, if this is a system that interests you, you can always go to our website at avadirect.com. You can always call our wonderful sales team, and they can assist you with getting a system just like this with minor tweaks or major tweaks to cater to whatever you need it for. So as always, thank you again for tuning in, and have a great day.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.